In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get CapCut templates on your computer. To begin, open CapCut on your PC and go into your project workspace. Once you're inside the editing screen, direct your attention to the upper left area of the interface, where the main navigation bar appears. This is where CapCut groups its key sections for editing and browsing. From there, click on the tab labeled Templates. As soon as you do that, CapCut will load its built-in cloud template library, and you'll see it appear in the sidebar panel. This library gives you access to a wide range of ready-made editing layouts designed to speed up your workflow and help you create polished videos more easily. Now that the template library is open, the next step is to find a style that matches the kind of video you want to make. At the top of the template sidebar, click into the search box. Here you can type a keyword based on the look or mood you're going for, such as velocity, intro, or cinematic. After entering your keyword, press Enter on your keyboard, and CapCut will refresh the results to show matching templates in the asset grid. If you're not sure exactly what style you want yet, you can also scroll through the thumbnail categories below. This is a helpful way to explore what's popular and see what's currently trending in the template library. Once you find a template that looks good, click on its thumbnail to open the preview. This lets you watch the animation and get a better feel for how the edits, transitions, and overall pacing will look before adding it to your project. If you decide to use it, click the blue confirmation button. CapCut will then place the template directly into your timeline with all of its layers arranged automatically. At this point, you'll notice that the template includes default media placeholders. These are simply sample slots waiting for your own clips. To replace them, go to the Properties panel and click the Replace button. Then choose a video file from your computer. CapCut will automatically swap in your footage while keeping the original template structure intact, including the cuts, timing, visual effects, and background music. And that's it. You've opened the templates library, searched for a style, added a template to your timeline, and replaced the placeholder media with your own footage. With just a few quick actions, you can start using CapCut templates on your computer and make your editing process much faster and easier.